Everything I put out here is designed to help you become a smarter and much faster content creator. The honest truth is, we all share the exact same problem. We have super limited time and energy these days. You simply cannot do everything, and constantly chasing every single platform feature is the quickest way to complete burnout. Consider short-form clips. Everyone agrees they are the easiest lever for immediate growth for live streamers right now. However, the typical way most people go about making those clips is honestly quite clunky and slow. Yeah, Twitch has built-in clipping and even a dedicated clip creation flow, which sounds amazing in theory. But what happens in practice is those automatic clips get absolutely butchered by Twitch's own compression, often looking washed out or terribly artifacted. That low visual quality really hurts your ability to build a polished, consistent brand presence. Now, OBS plugins like ATM Vertical are certainly neat because they let you create a secondary vertical canvas right inside OBS. This lets you instantly duplicate your main scene directly to a proper 9:16 layout, which is a clever trick. That workflow definitely works well for a lot of dedicated users out there, but it absolutely comes with its own set of unavoidable caveats. For instance, you must install yet another plugin, manage that entire second canvas setup, and worry about extra CPU and VRAM usage. On top of that, you then have to spend time troubleshooting weird masking issues for HUD elements that aren't perfectly centered for vertical viewing. Some dedicated folks even add source copy to clone sources without filters, so they can create complex masks for specific UI parts. All of that extra configuration is absolutely doable, yet it introduces significant friction and takes valuable time away from actually streaming. Think about it. That's time taken away from engaging with your audience and actually talking to your chat. If you value both high quality and sheer convenience, I can tell you right now there is a demonstrably better workflow available. This better method involves using an AI-first clip tool like Vizard to handle almost all of that heavy lifting for you automatically. Instead of constantly juggling another OBS canvas or frantically hunting down the perfect crop midstream, you just capture your normal stream as usual. Then you simply let the advanced artificial intelligence intelligently find all the genuinely good shareable bits within that content. Tools like Vizard are specifically engineered from the ground up to turn hours of long-form content into perfectly ready-to-post short clips. This streamlined approach immediately solves three of the biggest pain points I consistently see creators struggling with every single week. The first major benefit is that the AI automatically edits your most viral potential clips for you. Forget scrubbing through endless hours of footage just to find that perfect smack, the genuine laugh, or the epic game-losing fail. The AI efficiently scans all of your captured footage, intelligently isolates those high-engagement moments, and then outputs fully vertical-ready clips. Honestly, that capability alone is a complete game-changer for any creator who finds themselves severely time-poor. You still maintain full creative oversight, allowing you to quickly review all the suggested clips before anything goes live. The second massive time saver is the automated scheduling feature built right into the platform. You simply set exactly how often you want your best clips to be posted across your various channels. The system will then queue everything up and publish it reliably according to the precise posting frequency you established earlier. This completely eliminates the problem of late-night upload sessions, or even worse, completely forgetting to post your content entirely. Third, there is a content calendar that actually functions the way you need it to in order to keep you organized. You can easily schedule, manage all your posts, make necessary tweaks, and finally publish clips across all your social platforms from one central location. This helps you keep everything incredibly organized and ensures your posting schedule remains consistent without constantly juggling multiple different applications. Consistency is the key to growth, and this system makes maintaining that consistency significantly less mentally taxing. Now, let me walk you through my typical weekly pipeline, highlighting where these different tools still make sense and where the AI integration saves time. Step 1 is simply capturing your stream exactly as you normally execute it every single session. If you desire maximum redundancy for spontaneous moments, I highly recommend keeping an OBS replay buffer running for about 2 to 5 minutes. Replay buffers are incredibly useful because you can instantly save the last few moments of footage with a single hotkey press. Just remember that keeping a replay buffer running does double the disk usage for that specific duration, so ensure your hard drive has enough available space. Alternatively, you can just record the entire video on demand from the end of your live session for later processing. Step 2 is getting that captured footage over to the processing software, either by direct upload or automatic connection. With a method like ATM Vertical, you would need that special second canvas configured perfectly ahead of time to capture vertical video in real time. That real-time capture is fantastic if you specifically want instant local vertical video outputs with absolutely zero artificial intelligence involvement whatsoever. However, the reality is that most creators do not want to constantly babysit complex settings while they are live and trying to entertain an audience. This is where Vizard shines. You can simply upload the VOD after your stream concludes or link your Twitch, Vimeo, or YouTube account. so it pulls the VOD automatically. Then you let the powerful AI engine handle all the tricky cropping and the vital highlight detection based on its training. This means no more reconfiguring complex scene layouts and absolutely no installing extra performance-draining plugins before you go live. Step 3 is letting the AI engine do the heavy work of finding the actual gold hidden within your long-form content. Vizard expertly analyzes all your recorded content and intelligently selects the best clips based on pacing, key audio cues, and visual activity. It is specifically trained to find those crucial 3-second opening hooks, the perfect punchlines, the clutch plays, or the streamer's genuine reaction moments. Essentially, it finds all the content pieces that have the highest statistical potential to perform well and be shared widely online. Even with this automation, you are still firmly in control of the final creative decisions for every single clip. You can review all the clips the AI suggests, make minor trims if necessary, swap out the default thumbnail image, or add custom captions and overlays easily. Ultimately, the most time-consuming part, the initial content selection, is handled automatically for you. Moving on to step 4, we look at the formatting and final polishing stage before uploading anywhere. Yes, you absolutely can achieve precise masks and custom crops within OBS by utilizing plugins like Source Copy when you need perfect isolation. That level of meticulous, pixel-perfect control is definitely useful for those highly complex setups where you require absolute control over specific overlays. But when your priority is speed combined with excellent output quality, Vizard excels by exporting platform-optimized vertical clips. These exports are automatically centered on the main action, feature clean framing, and maintain a good bitrate so you avoid uploading a blurry mess. If you just need to remove a static HUD element, make a quick crop, or simply add a subtitle, you can do it right in Vizard's editor in just 2 clicks. This is vastly faster than constantly chasing down and adjusting multiple filters and duplicate sources back inside your streaming software. The goal here is to get a great-looking, platform-ready vertical video out the door with minimal manual adjustment required. Step 5 is where creators genuinely start to win back significant portions of their personal time in the week. You can batch process dozens of your best clips together all at once for maximum efficiency. Then, you just set a desired frequency, perhaps 3 new shorts every single week, and Vizard takes care of the rest. It will automatically post those clips or prepare them fully with optimized captions and relevant hashtags, pending your final approval. The integrated content calendar gives you a fantastic overview of everything that is scheduled, everything that is currently live, and everything that has already been posted. This centralized management system is significantly easier than constantly logging in and out of a dozen different social platform dashboards. Now here are a few quick practical tips to ensure your newly created Vizard clips actually hit much harder with your audience. Always try to create a strong hook within the very first 2 or 3 seconds of the clip you intend to post. The AI is excellent at finding naturally strong moments, but try to deliver a clear reaction or a strong opening line while you are streaming live. That perfect combination of surprise coupled with an authentic reaction is the absolute gold standard for getting clicks. Whenever you are playing competitive games, try to keep the primary action centered on the screen as much as possible. If you absolutely must show important side HUD elements, consider making a separate, very short clip just for those specific UI moments so the viewer isn't left confused by context. A crucial element for discoverability is to always talk to your chat as if they are actual people sitting right there with you. When you naturally narrate what is happening during intense moments, those verbal audio cues drastically help Vizard pinpoint the best moments to clip. Creators who maintain constant commentary through plays and reactions make it exponentially easier for the AI to surface truly shareable moments automatically. You should also use the content calendar feature to intentionally plan for variety across your posting schedule each week. Mix up your content by including reaction highlights, quick gameplay snippets, funny chat interactions, and even very short mini tutorials. Since Vizard tags and sorts all your clips, you can easily plan a wonderfully balanced posting strategy that keeps your audience engaged. Let's quickly compare these workflows so you can make the best decision for your specific creative needs right now. Twitch native clips are completely free and instantly available, but they suffer from heavy compression, resulting in notably low quality. This native method is fine for a super quick share, but it's genuinely bad for building a polished or professional short-form presence over time. The OBS plus ATM vertical plus source copy route gives you incredible power and is very DIY-friendly for technical users. You get full local control, instant vertical exports, and you can apply pixel-level masks if you really need to perfect a single scene. The downside to this powerful local method is significantly more initial setup, more plugins to maintain, higher resource usage, and zero automation for selection or scheduling. Then there's the Vizard workflow, which is entirely cloud-first, highly automated, and built specifically for the creator who wants zero extra engineering time. You connect your VOD, let the AI intelligently find your clips, make quick tweaks, and then set the schedule. It is undeniably the speed-focused and scale-friendly option for modern content production pipelines. You sacrifice a small degree of that hyper-precise local control, but in return, you gain back an astonishing amount of your personal time every single week. I do want to add a quick note regarding privacy. and data backups. For anyone concerned about cloud storage, if keeping absolutely everything local for compliance or personal preference is your main concern, then the full OBS route is technically the better path. Everything in that scenario remains securely stored and processed directly on your local hard drive. However, if you are perfectly comfortable with cloud processing, the Vizard workflow will easily save you many hours of tedious work every week. Ultimately, the core goal remains the same: produce more high-quality short-form content with significantly less personal effort expended. If you absolutely love tinkering and require total control over every single pixel of your output, master those local OBS plugins. But if you truly want to spend the majority of your energy on streaming and fostering your community, not on tedious cropping and scheduling, then Vizard is the obvious massive time saver. It intelligently finds what is already proven to be working within your long-form content and transforms it into a ready-to-post vertical clip package. It then helps you maintain that steady publishing cadence so your channel can experience consistent, sustainable growth over the long run. One final critical piece of advice to remember: being genuinely entertaining still matters more than any tool can offer. None of these incredible tools can magically fix a stream that is simply boring to watch, so deliver those moments people want to rewatch. Talk to your community, react authentically to everything happening, and make it an absolute habit to save those great moments as they happen. With a replay buffer you can save instantly. With Vizard, you let the AI surface the best content out of the full VOD automatically. Either way, you must focus on creating genuinely good content first, and then use the right tool to efficiently scale that success. So go stream, focus on being your best self, and then let the right software tools efficiently handle all the tedious grunt work behind the scenes. Whether you choose a local plugin setup or a sophisticated AI clip platform, the single most important factor for success is consistency. Automate the repetitive, boring stuff, commit to posting regularly across platforms, and watch the algorithms reward your reliable output. Remember to always stream smart, not harder, to achieve the growth you are aiming for.